Hello, students. Welcome back to Nita's Business Studies class. We have completed our organizing chapter, and now in today's class, we're going to start with the staffing chapter. So, staffing is a very important function of management. So, everywhere employees or the workers are always considered to be the most valuable asset, and therefore, adequate staffing is an essential requirement for an organization in order to achieve the organizational objectives. Thus, right person should be placed at the right job. It's very important to choose and to select and to recruit the right person for the right job according to the qualification, according to the requirement of the organization, so that organization can achieve its goal effectively and efficiently. Therefore, employees or the workers or staff, they are considered as a lifeline, they are considered as the backbone, they are considered as the most valuable asset of an organization. So it's very important while making their selection, and this is what is all about staffing. So we'll study here about the meaning of staffing here. Staffing refers to the process of finding the right person with the right qualification or experience and recruiting them to fill a position or a job in an organization. In other words, it is to find the right person for the right job. Yes, staffing is all about selecting the right person for the right job according to the requirement of the organization. I repeat, according to the right qualification and according to their experience. The organization has to be very careful while doing this process of staffing. So it should fill the positions required and demanded by the organization. Whatever job positions are vacant in an organization, that should be filled up with the right person, with the right qualification, and with the right experience. That is what is very important in staffing process. It's a very, well, you can say, one of the most very important function of management. So it is very time consuming, and it is also a very good, you can say, crucial function of management. In other words, staffing is very simple. It is to find out the right person for the right job. This is very important. So we'll study why is it so important to staff, or why is this function of management so important. So importance of staffing, first and foremost, it helps in finding and obtaining competent personnel for various jobs. Yes, we'll know, as a management member, we'll know who is the right person for the right job. Competent person, really capable person with good skill and ability, with good qualification. The right person for the right job can be filled up only through staffing process. Secondly, it helps in higher performance by putting right person on the right job. Yes, you should put an accountant for in account departments. You should put a person in sales and purchase department who is good at marketing, who is good at advertising in promotion department. So all these are the matters of concern here. You should put the right person for the right job in what they are qualified, in what they are specialized, and that is how putting the right person on the right job will help in increasing their performance and do their best, because they'll be specialized in that particular job or profession. Third one is it ensures continuous survival and growth of the organization. Yes, it's quite obvious. It goes without saying. If you have the right person on the right job, it is quite obvious that your company or your organization or your business is going to grow and expand, since we have already told that we have already discussed that the right person on the right job is very important. The most valuable asset of an organization is the right staff member, or is the right employee or worker, and therefore it helps in continuous survival and growth and expansion of the organization. Next one is it helps to ensure optimum utilization of human resources. Yes, optimum utilization of human resources means to use their skills and ability, their talents, and their specialization in a right manner. They are not overdone or they are not underdone. They are utilized properly in a right manner so that they can do their best. The best can be taken out of the employees. Next one, it improves job satisfaction and morale of the employees. Yes, job satisfaction and morale is very important point here. If you have the staff members in the right place at the right job, you will have your employees or workers with good job satisfaction. They'll be happy to come to the organization and work hard for the benefit and welfare of the organization. So this will increase the enthusiasm, the morale. It will motivate the employees to work hard and actually contribute a lot and their best towards the organization. Next is staffing as a part of human resource management. So, staffing is, of course, that is selecting or finding out and recruiting the right person for the right job according to their experience, according to their qualification. And now we are going to just discuss few points where it is matching and we are comparing whether it is a part of human resource management. So human resource management is exclusively managing human resource, that is personnel, or you can say the workers and the staff, and their welfare is taken care by the human resource management. And this is how we are going to compare whether staffing is or as a part of human resource management. And these points will tell us clearly, yes, staffing is a part of human resource management. The first point is there is recruitment. There is recruitment in human resource management as well as there is recruitment in staffing. So recruitment is nothing but searching and attracting, or you can say calling out people, qualified people for the right job, to for them to apply in an organization for the specific job in any organization is what is called as recruitment. Then analyzing jobs, collecting information about jobs. So all you study in depth about the various jobs, and that is done in human resource management as well as staffing. Next one is developing compensation incentive plans. Yes, the salary and the wages, the bonus and other incentives, rewards in cash, all these are also inclusive in staffing and human resource management. So developing compensation, that is salary plan, and incentive plans, that is reward or award, or you can say bonus. So this is what is all coming under staffing as a part of human resource management. Then we have also training and development of employees, very important. Once the employee is recruited and selected and placed in an organization, they have to be provided with training and development programs so that they can increase their skills and ability in order to work hard and do their best for their organization. Then we have maintaining labor and managerial relationship. Yes, labor and managerial relationship should be in very good terms. There should be a cordial relationship between the manager and the workers, and this is what should be developed in staffing process as well as human resource management. Next one is handling grievances and complaints. Grievances and complaints are nothing but the problems of the employees or the workers. What problems they are facing or what difficulties they are facing is solved, and their complaints are also entertained, and they try to solve all these matters. Whatever dissatisfaction or whatever difference of opinion staff members will have, it's all solved in staffing as well as human resource management. Next one is providing for social security and welfare of the employees. Yes, social security and welfare of the employees, for example, job security and welfare of the employees, to provide them with many facilities, other facilities like TA, DA, or you can say even accommodation, residential accommodation, or health welfare systems, or any other facilities which are very beneficial to the employees. So this can be also provided by the organization or management members. Defending, next one is defending the company and avoiding legal complications. Yes, defending the company, here human resource management as well as staffing plays a very important role in protecting the company and avoid any legal problems which may come on the way, complications, by following all the rules and regulations and laws of company, and by following the government policies. This can happen by protecting the company and avoiding the legal complications. So this is how we can compare staffing as a part of human resource management. So staffing is just a part of human resource management. Next one is nothing but, we are going to conclude here staffing, what it is actually. So staffing is both the function of management as well as a distinct functional area of management. Yes, it is exclusively a one function of management, and it is distinct functional area of management means it is totally a different area where management has to really take care separately and exclusively. So this is what they say. Staffing is therefore referred to as both a line as well as a staff activity because it is performed by all the levels of management. At every level, all the managers have to perform this function, that is staffing, and therefore it is called as a line as well as staff activity. So staff members are also contributing as well as the managers at every level are also contributing, and that is nothing but the function of a manager as well as the role played by the human resource department. Yes, so both these aspects function, it is also a line, that is the function of a manager, the scalar chain at every level, that is top level management, the middle level management as well as the supervisory level management. All these have to function this particular function is very important, that is staffing, and then it is also a very well role played by the human resource department. So this is both, that is why it is called as both line as well as a staff activity. I hope you have understood, dear students. This is all for today's class. In our next class, we'll be doing about the staffing process. Thank you.